In this setup, I connected the aftermarket central locking system from AliExpress to the factory central locking on a 2001 Suzuki Vitara. The black, white, and white with black wires from the aftermarket module were connected to the black wire, negative, from the car's central locking. The yellow and yellow with black wires were connected to the two pink wires from the car's locking system. Finally, the red wire was connected to the red wire, positive, from the car's original central locking system. If, after wiring, you press the lock button on the remote and the car unlocks instead, simply swap the yellow and yellow with black wires. That will reverse the signal and fix the issue. To make the installation much easier, you can use quick splice connectors, also known as T-tap or snap wire connectors. These allow you to tap into the original car wiring without cutting or stripping the wires, making the job faster, cleaner, and more secure. I will leave a link in the description